Welcome back. I'm Jill with thecarefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for buffalo chicken taquitos. Now this is a super easy weeknight meal. It only takes a few minutes to prep and about 30 minutes to cook, so start to finish it's a really simple meal, and I hope you guys love it just as much as we do. Okay, before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you are going to need. All right, so I have some chicken here, and this is just a rotisserie chicken that I've cut up. It's about 3 cups. I've got some fresh crumbles of some blue cheese, some ranch dressing, and of course you can substitute this for blue cheese if you'd like. I have some Frank's buffalo sauce, just the classic is great. Some shredded cheese, some room temperature cream cheese there, and then some small little fajita size flour tortillas. Okay, you're going to want to be sure to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add in our chicken. That's about 3 cups of diced chicken. And I'm going to add in my shredded cheese, Frank's hot sauce, and remember the recipe is on my website at thecarefreekitchen.com. Some ranch dressing, this will help keep it really nice and creamy. Blue cheese crumbles, and then our cream cheese. Okay, and now I'm just going to use a spoon and mix this all up. Okay, and then I like to just move it over a little bit, throw out a few tortillas here, and then add a little bit of filling. Okay, and then you want the filling to go all the way out. And then we're just gonna roll this up. So it's about 1 inch big. Okay, and again, roll this up. There we go. Okay, for these taquitos, I'm just going to place them on a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper, and make sure there's just a little bit of space between each taquito so that it can get nice and crispy all the way around the taquito. Okay, now you can brush them with a couple tablespoons of butter or spray them with non-stick cooking spray, and I just have a coconut oil spray here that I'm using. And then we're going to bake them in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, and then after they have cooked for about 10 minutes, I'm just going to use some tongs and roll them over. They're starting to get crispy, but we want them crisp on all sides. That's what makes this so fun, is the crunchy texture on the outside. And then we're going to spray this other side with non-stick cooking spray and put them back into the oven for about 10 more minutes or until golden brown. All right, here are my buffalo chicken taquitos. They are filled with a simple buffalo chicken dip, baked to golden perfection, and served with your favorite dipping sauce. You can serve these with ranch, blue cheese, or an avocado sour cream mixture. These are crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and will definitely satisfy your next taquito craving. If you love buffalo anything, you are going to love this recipe for buffalo chicken taquitos. Thank you so much for watching this episode at thecarefreekitchen.com. And again, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.